Comparing list containing NaNs. I am trying to compare two different lists to see if they are equal, and was going to remove NaNs, only to discover that my list comparisons still work, despite nan equals nan, false. Could someone explain why the following evaluate true or false, as I am finding this behavior unexpected? Thanks. I have read the following which don't seem to resolve the issue. Why in NumPy, nan equals nan, is false while nan is true? Why is nan not equal to nan? Duplicate. Python 2.7.3, NumPy 1.9.2. I have marked surprising evaluations with A at the end.
To understand what happens here, simply replace nan equals np.nan by foo equals float nan, you will get exactly the same result. Why? Now think that numpy.nan is just a variable name that holds a float nan. Now why nan equals nan is simply because list comparison first test identity equality between items before equality for value. Think of it as